Yo, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Stop by Los, and today we're going to be doing a updated apartment tour, so we're just going to get right to it and get right into the living room. For those that don't know, I live in New Jersey. I'm a full-time entrepreneur. I do content creation, have a marketing company, and also a photography studio. The piece that I love the most in here is my couch. I've had it for a few years. I got it from IKEA. If I can't find the link, you can always just go to IKEA and find sectionals and find something similar to it, and then just roll it over to the table. I ended up getting this on Amazon maybe like a year or two back, and I don't think it's available anymore, but you can find something similar to it just by typing in glass table. A couple of feature pieces on the table. You got the cause book, got the cause figure, incense piece, and then also candles. A lot of the candles and stuff around my house are from PF Candle. They send me a lot of different stuff, so I make sure to feature that stuff all around my house. Over here along the window, we got some more cause figures, some more Astro Boy. I believe this is a Funko Pop, Tony the Tiger, and then again another cause piece. And this is just like a fabric spray that I have, again from PF Candle, that I spray on the couch to make sure that it's fresh, clean, because these are washable. I don't think a lot of people know that. You can wash these. And I got this little, I think it's called a humidifier or diffuser that's over here, that basically just gives me nice little scents across the entire apartment. Lamp over here, little basket that has a blanket inside of it. I actually just picked that up from Amazon too, and that way I don't have to keep this blanket on my couch, because I do have the other one that I chill with the most. Off-white rug. Unfortunate events that Virgil passed away, but I am greatly appreciative that I have a couple of pieces in this house for me. But yeah, this is my rug area. Regular TV over here. It's like a 65-inch curved TV from Samsung. This sound bar, it's like 60 bucks on Amazon. I get a lot of stuff from my house on Amazon. And then, of course, you got the Dyson air purifier. Fortunately, I was gifted this probably like 4 years back when I did a campaign with them. So it purifies the air and it also acts as a fan. And then I got my snake plant over here. The vase and the plant came from Energy Gardens. I have a couple of his pieces, another one over there on my wall. The little stand came from Amazon. So then we can roll over here into the kitchen area where, boom, as you can see, this is the feature piece that I was talking about. It's a preserved moss wall from Energy Gardens. His Instagram will probably pop up right here. Black-owned business down in Dallas, Texas. Also got my other plant right here that's thriving. We just got another leaf that's flourishing right here. So make sure to take care of your plants. If you're gonna be a plant dad, do it the correct way. Then we're rolling over here into the kitchen. Kitchen is probably one of my favorite areas of the house, just because it's spacious. I got a lot of room in here to cook, have my coffee, have my tea and stuff like that. Just starting off over here, we have a water filter. It's called a Berkey. It's probably one of the best water filters that you can get out there. It's a little bit more on the expensive side. I think it's like 200 bucks, but at the end of the day, you get fresh, clean water that you can either drink, cook with, whatever you want to do with that, you can do that. Regular stainless steel trash can right here. It's got the trash right here and the recyclable stuff at the back. Another Dyson product, Dyson V8 Animal. It's a vacuum. It has different pieces on here where you can clean just down on the baseboards, or if you want to get on the couch, you can get in between the couch. So I really love that. I really love the appliances here, stainless steel appliances. Got a couple of, I think these are bamboo, like washing things. Cutting board, and then just like a little mashup up here. I don't know what to really call it. Another piece from Virgil. I got some shot glasses just in case my friends want to come over and turn up whenever we decide to do that. My knife set, I got it from Home Hero. It's a pretty decent knife set. It comes with a sharpener, so you're able to sharpen your knives whenever you need to, because they get dull after a while. You just got your salt and pepper, all the rest of that stuff. Inside here, I do have a little OCD, so I do keep my pastas inside of containers. I actually need to refill that one. Truffle hot sauce, probably one of the best hot sauces out there. Shout out to them for sending it through the pack, because I got a ton of it, little small travel packs as well. Then you got the stove. I wish it was a gas stove. You know, I'll settle for the electric, but overall it's really good. Works really great. Microwave down here performs really well. Really like this, I guess utensil holder is what you would call it. I got it on Amazon. I think it was maybe like $25, but it matches kind of the aesthetic that I'm going with like the blacks and the marbles and stuff. that are in here in the kitchen. And then I got this Nespresso machine. Got this a few years back. I believe it was like maybe 180 bucks. Could be wrong, but if I find it, again, I'll link it down below in the description. This little tray, got this on Amazon just to store my little coffee pods and stuff like that. So I'll have different ones that I put in there whenever I restock and go to the Nespresso store. Got my vitamins right here that's completely empty that I need to refill. But I will show you where I keep my vitamins. And they're up here. Have multiple different vitamins. I have to take a lot of B12 because my diet really consists of a lot of vegetables. I really don't eat too much meat. When I do, it's on occasion. But yeah, those are my vitamins and stuff, my teas. And then speaking of tea, I got this little, I guess, kettle because people were on my ass about it for me pouring my water out of my pot. So I ended up getting this tea kettle. Again, got it on Amazon. I believe it was like 30, 40 bucks, something like that. And it works really well. All you do is go like this, heats it up, pour, and then you're good to go. My refrigerator usually looks 10 times better than this, so we're probably gonna insert a picture right here of what it usually looks like. There's got some cool little containers up here, fruits, vegetables, and all the rest of this stuff that I usually eat on a daily basis. So yeah, this is the kitchen for the most part. I come in here and cook daily for whether it be like my breakfast, lunch, dinner. Got a couple art pieces. My boy Dale ended up making this art piece for me. He's in Dallas, Texas. I think his Instagram is created by Dale. I'll have it pop up right here. But it's the money tree. It's a play on the giving tree. If you grew up as a kid in my generation, I'm 28, I'm a millennial, you should probably know what the giving tree is. If you don't, go ahead and look that up. Then we'll slide in here. This is one of my 2 bathrooms. This is like the guest bathroom. I don't really use that much. I use it to maybe just like soak if I do like an Epsom salt bath after working out throughout the week. But the cool thing about this is it does have like 3 different modes. The regular like bath mode, this little, I guess, I don't know what to call this, like solo washing mode that it's got right here. And then obviously the regular overhead right there. So most of my friends just use this bathroom. It's nothing crazy, nothing special. You got some more stuff from PF Candle. This is a hand wash, and they got the little reed diffuser that just has like some cool little scents and stuff that come out of it. Then we'll roll over to here. Got washer and dryer, boring stuff that no one really cares about. And I think we passed a closet that I store a lot of my jackets and stuff inside. Another art piece right here. Quitting won't bring you closer to your goal. I like to have motivational pieces around my house, and there's some more inside my office that I've also created. This is from another company called Iconic that gifted me this. And then this is my office area. The cool thing about like my entire apartment, as you probably noticed, it's got a great view of New York. That's why I choose to stay in New Jersey, because I would not like to live in New York and look at Jersey and pay that crazy amount of rent that they're paying over there. But this is my office space. I have a desk by, what is it called, like Otto Thomas. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'll pop it up on the screen. My chair is also by them. I have a little stand for my laptop, and I decided to get a curved screen just because looking at this, I believe it's 12 or 13-inch screen, after a while, and being on the computer for years at a time, your eyesight's gonna get really bad. So I just decided to get a curved screen, and I will link all this stuff down below for that. Got a little stand that goes with it, a keyboard, little mouse tracking pad. I think it's the Magic tracking pad it's called, from Apple. A little light stand. Cause figure. This is one of the 2 tripods that I use. This one's from Newer. They have a really good one. It extends out, and you can add on your, iPhone piece that you see basically right here on my tripod that I use on a daily basis to record all my videos and stuff like that. And then just speaking of the motivational pieces and stuff that I have on my wall, this Work Fucking Harder piece is from somebody that I no longer fuck with, so we won't be giving him any clout. And this over here is actually a piece that I created, one of the 2 canvases that I put out. Your habits will become your destiny. It's actually tattooed on me. It's kind of a quote from something that my dad put on my wall like when I was a kid, so it kind of carried over to my adult life. Right here, this one says consistency and persistence breeds success. This is something that I came up with on my own. It's the first canvas that I ever put out, and it's really cool to see that inside people's houses. I actually have it tattooed on the back of my neck as well, as it's just a constant reminder to push forward and keep doing what I'm doing. The infamous mirror that everybody loves and really can't get their hands on is the IKEA Hovid mirror. So if you could go get it, if it's in stock, be my guest. But it's probably one of the best stand-up mirrors that you can get for your house. That's really, really aesthetically pleasing. Just over here on the ground, I got miscellaneous stuff like COS figures, and there's some other stuff that I've been gifted. Supreme deck. We got the temporary clock right here from Virgil. That's really, really dope because time is temporary. And just along like the windowsill, I got a bunch of Funko Pops, got my camera. I shoot with a Fujifilm XM1 or XT100, and it's a 16mm 1.4 that I shoot with most of the time. Sometimes I'll shoot with my 50mm and kind of go around that. Got a steamer right here. I don't believe in ironing clothes just for the simple fact that I feel like after a while, like fade your clothes. And I wear a lot of like black, and then it just keeps the wear and tear off of things. Got this on Amazon too some years back. Remember Your Why. This is another piece from Iconic that they sent over to me. I believe this was a series with, I think it was Damon John, the owner of, or founder of Fubu. He came up with this series that these two pieces that I have, so I decided to get something from his series to one, support a black owned business. Then just rolling over here, this is my room. I spend my time in here basically like sleeping most of the time, reading sometimes too, and I'll create content in here because fortunately I can like slide my bed over and have enough space in here to create content. My bed is from IKEA. I don't remember the name. I believe it's a part of the Hovid collection. Got some pillows here. Accent pillow with a gray, white, little side stand right here. Got a Rolex book just to kind of go through different types of Rolexes they've created over the course of years. I really like Rolex. It's the first luxury watch that I invested in. Ended up getting a Datejust 41mm. Yeah. And then this Dyson, I think it's called the Psychomorph lamp that everybody gives me shit about because they said it was too expensive. It's like a $900 lamp. If you're not in that price range, I don't suggest getting it, but I really enjoy it because it has a bunch of different features to where you can rotate this out, twist it up, have a feature light. It's got LED lighting, warm and cool, and it also has the feature to rise and I guess go down when the sun comes up. Nah, it's like, did we break it? Who knows? But it rises and like lowers whenever the sun and stuff goes down and up. So it's really, really cool. And then I got a chair over here, forgot the name of it, but it's not the actual chair that it's like mocked after. It's a cheaper version because no one's about to spend $500 to $600 on a chair that I barely even sit in, but it looks aesthetically pleasing. So I got it on Amazon too. I think it ended up being like $200 instead of $500 to $600 that the OG one cost. Over here, another piece from IKEA. I think it's the Hovid collection. Same little air diffuser or whatever it's called that gives like the scents off in the air. Got a little incense holder right here in case I want to burn some incense. And also got some of my little anxiety stones over there that I carry with me. Over here we got a fig. Is it called a fig plant? I believe it's called a fig plant. I take really good care of mine. Everyone thinks it's fake, but this bad boy is real. I water it, gets good sunlight over here. This is a piece by my boy Mitch and David that they gifted me. Thought it was a good little piece to accent the room and just add to it. This mirror over here, I added in for the simple fact that I just wanted something else in the corner and it not be just so bland. Got this on Amazon. I know everybody's gonna give me this feng shui bullshit of you're not supposed to have mirrors facing your bed, but they say in feng shui that it's good sometimes and it's bad sometimes. So I don't really know, bruh. I'm good with the Lord, so you should be too. I got this little basically portable charger over here, or wireless charger that I was gifted, and it also acts as a lamp. So you can put your lamp right there. You can also stand up the phone in case you want to FaceTime with your friends. And it also acts as a speaker, Bluetooth speaker, so you can play your music on there. Also got a couple of books that I keep beside my bed. Self-Care of a Scorpio, because your boy is a Scorpio. Anybody from October 23rd to November 21st. Shout out Scorpio gang. And then Rewire Your Anxious Brain. This is for people who have like anxiety. It kind of gives you the ins and outs of how anxiety works and how it develops and how you can learn to control it. So it's a really good book. Again, got that on Amazon. Probably link it down below. Nice little view of New York at nighttime. It's really, really dope. Again, every single room in this house is super dope and has a dope view of New York. Rolling into here, this is my closet. I wear a lot of black, as you can see. I got some white pieces over here too. I have a nice sneaker collection that runs around basically the entire closet. Again, shout out Virgil. Plenty of off-whites in here. One of my favorite shoes is Jordan 1s. As you can see, that's probably most of my collection. And then I got other shoes mixed in here as far as like Dunks. You got your retro Jordan 3s, Sean Witherspoons, and all the rest of that stuff. My hats and stuff are up here. A lot of beanies. Don't really wear too many fitted hats. I have like one hat from R13 that I wear on occasion. Bags, Louis V, Coach, and then some other stuff from Blanc. But yeah, this is kind of a breakdown of my closet. We'll probably do some B-roll so you guys can see that stuff. And then rolling into my bathroom. This is my main bathroom. Again, got the PF candle, soap right there. I keep all of my stuff like behind here, so I don't have it like out on the counter. Same thing with like my glasses and stuff, accessories. I keep this stuff just kind of put away because I don't want a bunch of stuff on the counter. Got a little Alexa, I think it's called Alexa Dot, that you can basically play music while you're in the shower. That way you're not having to pull around speakers into every single room that you're going into. Shower right here. Regular stand-in shower. Just got like some cool little dispensers because I don't like having to like use bars of soap. But I just put my stuff right there. Got a little mirror up there so I can shave my head every single day, which I probably need to shave today. But this is just my bathroom. Pretty simple, pretty chill, pretty straightforward. And yeah, we'll roll out here to basically the hallway and walk you guys out of my crib. But this is basically everything. I got a little entranceway right here. And we got like regular stuff. My boy Pierre, who's filming, got his shit down here. But we got a little couple books. I actually just need to get a Tom Ford book to put right there. We got another mirror. I forgot what this is called. It's called a Pussy Willow or something like thing. I'm not even being funny. I think that's what it's called, plant. And I kind of put that right there. And then again, got that PF candle on deck to keep those scents right in the crib. But yeah, that's basically the breakdown of my new crib. It's a 2-bedroom, about 1,200 square feet. And for everybody that's gonna ask, I pay $5,000 a month. Yes, it's kind of expensive, but at the same time, I create content here and it's an investment, and I'm able to make that money back by creating great content inside of my house. I want to thank everybody for all the love and support. Hope you guys enjoyed this updated apartment tour, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.